Talks on the Iran nuclear deal are about to get underway amid growing concern of America's commitment. The meeting in Vienna on Friday was a regular review of the accord involving Iran, the U.S., and representatives from Russia, China, and Germany, among others. U.S. President Trump vowed to walk away from the 2015 agreement by May 12th, unless what he called fatal flaws were addressed. Trump's decision this week to replace Rex Tillerson with Iran hardliner Mike Pompeo as Secretary of State is seen as another threat to that deal.